Hello, engineers. Today we will see what's the structure of engineering education in India. So generally we are talking about the undergraduate programs and also the postgraduate programs and doctorate programs. Let us get into the PowerPoint again here. So here what we can see is that what is the structure of engineering education in India? We are going to talk about, you can see that we have a 4-year undergraduate program in India, we known as Bachelor in Technology, that is B.Tech, or Bachelor in Engineering, that's B. This is the two names by which it is called. And the curriculum of the program is designed to provide students the basic structure and broad foundation of the fundamentals of engineering, including physics, maths, chemistry, and computer science, as well as courses specific to that particular branch chosen as the engineering student. Undergraduate program is for the 4-year program, and so the undergraduate engineering program in India is typically divided into 8 semesters, and each of which roughly 6 months long. In the first 2 semesters, students generally taken to the fundamental courses in mathematics, physics, chemistry, and computer science, as well as courses in humanities and social sciences, and almost common to this first and 2 semester is almost common to all the branches, all the engineering discipline. In the 3rd to 6th semester, broadly specific discipline of engineering discipline or engineering branch subject will be covered in detail. Then in the fourth year, that is 7th and 8th semester, students take more specialized courses in the chosen engineering discipline, such as if they are mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, computer science, civil engineering, etc. They also have an opportunity to participate in hand-on projects, internships, and research work to gain practical experience. So in 7th and 8th semester, they are giving some specific electives for their chosen field of engineering field. More focused study into a particular subject will be in the last 2 semesters, and also the projects work also be done on that particular semesters. In higher studies, after BE and B.Tech, after completing the undergraduate program, students can pursue further educations through a master's ME, Master of Technology, that is ME, Master of Engineering program, which typically takes 2 years. Or some people also go for MBA, Master of Business Administration program, and also Master of Computer Applications, which can be completed in 1 or 2 years. There are also doctoral programs available for students who wish to pursue research in their field. That is, the master program is available, higher studies after ME, BE and B.Tech. 5-year, in some places there is integrated undergraduate and postgraduate engineering programs like that. In 5 years, both undergraduation and post-graduation will be covered. So in addition to the traditional 4-year undergraduate program, India also has several specialized institutes that offer 5-year integrated undergraduate and postgraduate engineering program, as well as institutes that offer 2-year postgraduate engineering programs. So there is 2 types of postgraduate programs available. That is, an integrated one, undergraduate and postgraduate will be covered in 5 years. Or if you are going to go independently as a postgraduate program, 2 years will be taken for that. So if you are going for an integrated program, it will be 1 year less will be required. Then some people have some doubts whether what is in India the bachelor in degree, BE and B.Tech, Bachelor in Technology, are both undergraduate programs in engineering, but there are some difference between BE and B.Tech supposed to be. And BE program is traditionally more theoretical in nature and focus on fundamental principles of engineering. These programs have a broader curriculum that includes more fundamental courses in maths, physics, and chemistry, as well as courses in engineering, design, mechanics, and material science. So whatever the subject, more theoretical in manner, BE program, but B.Tech is supposed to be more application oriented and focus on the practical aspects of engineering. These programs have a more specialized curriculum that includes courses specific to the students' chosen engineering discipline, such as computer science, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, or civil engineering, etc., And B.Tech program also tend to include more laboratory works, projects, and internships that provide students with more hands-on experience in their chosen field. So B.Tech program supposed to be more application-oriented, more practical oriented program. But what happened is that the distinction between BE and B.Tech program, if you look at it in recent years, the distinction between BE and B.Tech program has become less clear, and many institutions now offer similar courses and curricula for both the programs. In practice, the choice between BE and B.Tech degree may depend more on the individual institutions and the specific program of study rather than inherent difference between the two degrees. So for me, I have taken B.Tech then from the Government Engineering College Thrissur. So that time we considered it's more an application oriented or more practical oriented program than compared to a BE program. Nowadays we can see that these two words interchangeably used in the institutions, BE or B.Tech. Both seems to be looks to be same, not much difference nowadays. So as a summary, the structure of engineering program in India is like that. That is, first is undergraduate program is for 4 years, then postgraduate program for 2 years, ME, MTech, like that. And if some people want to go for doctorate, they can go after that for the doctorate for the higher studies. So thank you very much for listening, and I will try to bring up more information. This is all basic information. Some people who is new to the engineering field may be required. That's why I'm publishing these videos. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for listening.